Hey, I'm Ricky, and this is...
Hey, you guys, Manny Fresh here. And joining one more Puerto Rican.
Okay. Right. Hello, guys, I'm Ricky. And hey, guys, I'm Ricky.
And I'm Manny.
It's Ricky from One Board Puerto Rican, doing anything from keeping board. Today we're going to do the review of this new company, SCCY Industries. They made a 9mm semi-automatic pistol, and for $250, we're going to see what this bad boy can do. So, alright guys, I'm not really a gun expert. I am in law enforcement, but I don't know too much about guns. So, today we're going to be reviewing the SCCY Industries 9mm pistol. And then we're just going to see how it does. We're going to do the unboxing, so enjoy the show.
And I'm you guys just having fun here. I mean, joining One Board Puerto Rican. I don't want to be bored like him, so we're trying to do something fun.
Yeah, I do anything from keeping bored.
Yeah, damn right.
Alright guys, SCCY is a new company from Daytona that they're making firearms now. We're reviewing their 9mm again. So if you could come out a little bit closer. Manny Fresh.
Manny
got
Fresh. That right.
Alright, we open it up. We got the box. The box looks really nice. They gave us the little bottoms of the magazines. That way you can have, because I think it comes with extended clip. Yep, it does. It comes with an extended mag bottom, so you can switch out your bottom if you don't like this one. I kind of like to have that for the little extra pinky security in there. It's got the one magazine in there. Okay, if you come down, look down at the box. It also has the pistol in itself. Okay, the pistol in itself looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's brand new. Looking to see where the there it is. The SCCY logo is right there. This is the CPX-2 model. Okay. Let's feel the trigger pull. Wait, first loss. Make sure it's empty. It is empty. Look down the barrel right here. You can look down the barrel. The gun is empty. I'm pull the trigger to see how the action. It's okay. It's one smooth pull. There's no brakes like the Glock. You know how the Glock has to stop in between. It's just one pull and brings it all the way to. Okay, that's pretty smooth. All right. It has a little bit, because it's new. It's probably a little bit tough, but I kind of like it tough because I definitely don't want it to fire on its own. But feels really nice right now. Boom. Okay, appreciate that. It also comes with, I guess, a 20% off discount. I'm gonna put my thumb over the code because I'm gonna use that code later on. But there it is. It says there's a 20% off. It comes with one of those to buy more stuff. One manual, but who needs the manual? And then it comes with, I guess, some kind of barcode to show what the industry is about. Alright, let's get down to what you really want to see. Shooting the guns. But first, step one to police training.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you?
Okay, we got the target set up. We don't have actual measurements out here, so we walked out 10 paces. And we're gonna start firing upon it, and just gonna have a good time. There's no real professionalism here. It's just a bunch of guys trying out a new company, shooting out in a backyard.
Just see how it works, basically.
Yep, just a backyard shooting range. You know, we're shooting within the laws of the state of Florida. You know, we're away from houses, 500 feet, and shooting into a berm. There's no real law against that, so we're doing really good as far as the law is concerned. And we already called the authorities. We're gonna let them know that we've been firing back here. So
safety first, guys.
Safety first. Mind your muzzle. Stupid paper won't stay still. You should have put something to keep it still in the bottom.
Yeah, I thought about that too. I know I ain't gonna hit it.
Manny Fresh, why don't you hold it still, man? Go over there and hold it still for me.
I ain't that stupid. Safety first, guys.
Manny Fresh, get it down.
That's exactly why, man.
All right, guys. We went 8 rounds. Caught our first stovepipe right there, as you can see there. So we're gonna go ahead and clear the weapon, clear the stovepipe out, and continue in firing. Okay.
Oh, my bad. I shot out the wrong hole. All right. That one's shooting pretty good, though. I'll tell you that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So far, it does has a smooth trigger pull. I have pulled it halfway while I was lining it up, and then I pulled it the rest of the way to get to fire it out there, and it did well. The problem is the targets keep moving. So to tell you how accurate it is right now, I can't really tell you. I'm gonna probably put some cans out there, and we're gonna shoot some cans just so we can have a better target to shoot at. Okay. Oh, I've been hitting it the whole time. This is going through. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, look, it's got more than one hole.
That's what it was.
Yeah, oh, look, every time I hit it.
Yeah. And that's starting to make you feel.
Alright, we're on our 4th magazine and it jammed again. So we're gonna go ahead and clear it, rack it. See if we'll just keep racking it. Boom, there you go. Fire on. Shooting cans.
Got it that time, baby. Got it.
So far, the Sky out of 60 rounds, stovepipe once, jammed once. We shot 60 rounds. It was pretty smooth, pretty accurate. I was able to hit the can 4 out of 4 times. I was able, when the wind was not against us, I was able to hit on target within probably my palm. Would you say it was my palm?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, within my palm from about, again, 10 paces out. So it was a pretty smooth gun. Not excited about the jamming and the stovepipes so early on in the game, but maybe it just needs to be worked into it because the gun is brand new, so maybe let's work it a little bit longer. So we're gonna do another review after we probably put about 500 rounds into this thing. But as for today, we're done. 60 rounds, 1 stovepipe, 1 jam. So this is your first time owning a gun?
First time.
How much did you pay for the gun?
I was pretty excited. For $250 I could take ownership of a gun, and of course I don't know nothing about handgun. So for a beginner, for a rookie, I don't know much about weapons, but I'm happy with it.
How did you hear about Sky?
Actually, a friend of mine bought one, and he was pretty excited, especially about the price, to be honest with you. And that's how I heard from it, and I went looking for one.
Okay. So it's a pretty good weapon so far. Would you recommend it so far to other people?
Well, like I said, I'm not an expert. It's my first gun. Probably the 3rd, 4th time I ever shot a gun, and I'm after a couple lessons by you, I feel pretty confident with it. I like it for concealed weapon for what I want it.
Okay. Well, there it is. That's a review from an honest guy, first time owning a gun, first time shooting a gun, And for a brand new gun that's out in the market for the skies, look out for it. Again, we're not being sponsored or paid by Sky. This is just a weapon that we're just trying out right now, and I think since it's a brand new company, it deserves a review. Alright, there you go. Appreciate it, guys. Alright guys, a couple things I forgot to put on the video when I was filming on scene. So here are some of my corrections. It is a double action, not a single action semi-automatic pistol. And it is, for those who are inquiring, a 10-round magazine is what comes with it, with just a little pinky grip, extended pinky grip. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about the terminology, if you want to say that's what it was, but hey, we were filming on the spot. There we go. Bye.